Guys, we all know this year for Christmas, things are gonna be a little different. So when you're making food at home, you wanna bring some more joy around this time and make things a little extra special, especially with this recipe, the Christmas breakfast wreath. I guarantee you, your family's gonna love you for making this. You've probably got all the ingredients in your pantry. Let me show you how to make the best breakfast ever. So these are our key ingredients for a breakfast wreath. Now ours is a little different. We're doing it a little fusion style. We've got a Punjabi style scrambled egg, which is called anda bhurji. With this dish, we literally saute some onions and garlic. We add some masalas and turmeric and chilies, put the egg in there, whisk it up, and it becomes this beautiful dish. You can go check out that video on our IGTV or YouTube page. The next star of the dish is tandoori bacon. Guys, look at this. Look how delicious this looks. This is super simple, easy. You take some tandoori seasoning, put it on top of bacon, let it marinate, throw it in the oven, and it comes out in this beautiful aroma and crispy bacon. You can go check out that video on my IGTV or YouTube channel as well. And then we've got crescent rolls, Pillsbury dough crescent rolls, some tomatoes, these beautiful little cherry tomatoes. We got mixed cheese, mozzarella and cheddar, and some cilantro as well. So let's get started with this beautiful Christmas breakfast wreath. Presentation is everything with this dish. You want to make sure that the crescent roll, number one, is straight from the fridge. Don't let it hang out because then it gets really soft and hard to work with. And I cut through these squares just to make sure that we get a nice even cut. To make this easier for you, you want to start off with 2 going this way, 2 going this way, and then you're going to take the remainder 4 and place it right over here, and there you have it. Next, you're going to take your bacon and just place it down on each pastry. Next up is your scrambled eggs, or the ande bhurji. You want to make sure that everything is nice and cool before stuffing the pastry. If you add hot ingredients to the pastry, it's going to ruin the temperature and it's all going to be sticky and gooey. You don't want that. Okay, so I've got the eggs all surrounded in that pastry. Presentation is key, so take that extra second and just make sure that everything is nice and tight. Make sure the middle is clear. Take the extra second and just kind of take your hand around the eggs and just tighten it up a bit. That way it's nice and tight, piled high. Up next, we've got some cheese. You can put as much as or little as you want. Have fun with this. Up next, we're going to take our pastry and just going to fold it over and just tuck it in the bottom there. And do the same thing for all of them. Beauty. And just make sure that it's all tucked in nicely, nice and secure. All right, fish is looking beautiful. Take any of the leftover cheese that you have on the sides and just put it on top of the pastry. We're going to finish off with some garnish. I've got some beautiful micro berry tomatoes. They're so cute. And we're going to place them down onto our wreath so it looks like holly. Doesn't it look so pretty? We're going to pop this in the oven, 375 degrees, until nice and golden brown. Oh yeah! It's been in the oven for about 20 minutes. Look how delicious that looks. What you want to do is take a spatula and just run it at the bottom, just so it releases it. I'm going to slide it onto a board. Take some cilantro for garnish. Guys, look at this. Look how amazing this is. You've got a croissant, you've got breakfast bacon and eggs, you've got cheesy, ooey goodness all in one little pocket. Let's give it a try, eh? Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. You get that Punjabi style scrambled egg. Then you get that tandoori bacon, that smokiness from it. That cheese, that ooey gooey goodness, but then that pastry. That pastry is like sweet and crispy. Just so delightful. It's just beautiful. Then you get a little pop of that cherry tomato in there. Guys, this, I mean, for Santa, don't leave him cookies. Leave him this. He's going to enjoy this more than cookies. He gets cookies everywhere. If you leave this underneath the tree, he's going to give you a special gift. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your love and support. happy holidays from our family to yours. And let me know if you guys try this. I want to see pictures. Hashtag RGE at home. We want to see your creations. Make it yours. Make it special. And have a safe one, guys. Until next time, Courtney Muchas up. We out. Guys, look at this. I'm going to go hang this on the outside of my door right now. Don't want to get the chipped spot here. This is really, really good. You're going to eat it. You're going to delicious. Check the video, and thanks for watching.
Cut.